Greetings, class. My name is Dr. Jill Parsons, and I will be your course professor for Nursing 653, Leadership and Population Health. This is a 16-week course focusing on specific leadership skills necessary in the field of healthcare for populations. We know that COVID-19 has brought population health into the forefront along with other infectious diseases. So now more than ever, we need you to be able to promote population health and to positively impact health outcomes. I do plan to create a separate video to review the syllabus and the course calendar. So I just wanted to provide right now an overview of the Brightspace course shell. When you click on the Start Here menu, this is where you will find both the syllabus and the calendar, as well as the textbooks for this course. With this course, we do require the ANA Scope and Standards of Nursing Administration, as well as the ANA Code of Ethics and the APA Manual. Other readings will be integrated across the different modules. As I mentioned earlier, this is a 16-week course and it has been broken down into 4 modules. So you will find when we look at the course calendar that each module does run over several weeks. When we click on the module health modules, if we click on that, this is where you will find the modules, each of the modules for across the 16 weeks. And as I stated, there are 4 modules. You will find objectives relative to each module, as well as an overview and supplemental readings, videos, etc. When we move back to the course homepage, there is also a box for APA resources. I encourage you to visit this site for more information. There is a sample APA paper, there are APA tips for success, and much more. We can click on the box titled Assignment Guidelines with Rubrics, and here you will find each assignment. So each assignment includes both guidelines and a rubric, and we will talk more about these assignments as the course progresses. But in essence, there are 5 assignments across the course, and each of those assignments scaffold to the final presentation assignment. With this course, there will also be 10 discussion boards. When we move back home, I have included here links for the help desk as well as Holman Library. If you should need assistance with searches, please let me know and I can set you up with someone from the library staff. But it will be important across the discussion boards as well as across the assignments that you integrate scholarly, peer-reviewed resources. So I want to be certain that you're familiar with Holman Library, that you're familiar with the different search engines and more. With regards to discussion, we can find discussion if we come up to the top and we click on discussion. And here you will find each of the discussion boards. And as I stated earlier, there are 10 discussion boards across the 4 modules. With discussion, you are required to respond to the discussion board prompt and then to respond to 2 peers postings. Our discussion does run from Sunday at 12:01 a.m. through Saturday at 11:59 p.m. So I would like to see your peer posts be completed prior to Saturday at 11:59 p.m. And then we'll start a new module on Sunday. So again, our modules do run from Sunday at 12:01 a.m. to Saturday at 11:59 p.m. You can click on Assignments. And when we move to the assignment tab, this is where each of your assignments can be submitted in Brightspace. And as I mentioned, there are 5 primary assignments across the course, each which scaffold off of each other. If you should have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, and I look forward to meeting you online. Thank you.